Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get started with Wise to save and transfer money globally in multiple currencies. So Wise is regulated by local authorities, highly trustworthy and safe to use globally. They have to work with financial institutions and have dedicated fraud security teams to keep your account safe. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go to wise.com. Then you have to enter your email address. You can see, just tap on to login at the top right, tap onto it. You can log in if you already have an account, or if you are new to Wise, then tap onto this sign up text. Now you have to enter your email address. I will continue with my Google Gmail. So now tap on to continue, and that's it. Now you have to select your, you have to choose between a personal or business account. We'll create a personal account, so tap onto it. Now you have to choose your country and verify your phone number. So I'm gonna choose Bangladesh. Now you have to tap onto this continue, then you have to tap onto agree and continue. Now you have to input your phone number. Now you have to tap onto, if you want to install the app, then get the app, and if you don't want, then tap onto this cross icon. So that's it. Now go to Wise again, Wise. Then you have to tap onto agree and continue, tap onto it. Then it is asking for me to verify my phone number with a code, so I'm just going to enter my phone number. As you can see, my email is confirmed. Now I have to tap onto continue. Then you have to choose this, you have to tap on to agree and continue. Then you have to input your phone number. So after your account is set up, you can see the pricing here. You can send money or use the Wise debit card, or the option you want to use. As example, I'm gonna tap on to send money. From there you can compare the amount of money you want to send. So I'm gonna choose, okay, I'm gonna choose CAD, 25,000 CAD to this. So now if you want to send your money, then tap on to send money now or send money. Then you have to create your Wise account, like input your email address. You have to confirm your email from here. From there you have to confirm your email. Tap on to confirm my email, and that's it. As you can see, my email is now confirmed, and yeah, that's it. This is how you can set up your Wise account and transfer money from your account. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.